Welcome back to the Art of Personal Narrative workshop. In our last video, we talked about starting a journal and recording audio. In this video, we're going to take a look at some basic audio editing techniques, as well as how to upload your audio to share it with the community. We're really excited about hearing your stories, so we don't want the technical aspect to get in the way. So don't be shy. Reach out to us and let us know how we can help you. You can DM us on Instagram or send us an email at maw@thehillstreetcountryclub.org. That's MAW at thehillstreetcountryclub.org. Let's get started. The simplest way to edit clips on your phone is to open the Voice Memos app that you use to record with. For Android, this may be different depending on the phone, but the principles should remain the same. Hit the track that you want to edit, then click on the three dots on the bottom left and a menu will pop up. Select Edit Recording. Then you'll want to click the blue diamond-shaped icon in the upper right corner. That will enable you to trim the clip. Simply press Save when you're done. If you want to make multiple separate clips to bring together later, select the original clip, hit the three dots, and select Duplicate. This will create a copy of the original that you can rename after you've chosen the part you want to keep. Open the copy and use the trim feature from earlier to isolate the part you want to use. Then hit Save. Click the title of the clip to rename. Make sure to label it in a way that will allow you to find it easily and recognize it later. You can repeat this process until you've found all the parts of the clip that you want to use. For the purpose of this project, I chose to use Audio Prompt 2 from the workbook, so I separated all my questions and answers into different clips. Now it's time to bring them together. I chose to use an app called WavePad that's available for both iPhone and Android. To combine the clips, you first have to save the files. Choose a clip, click the three dots, and then choose Save to Files. A folder that says WavePad should come up. Click that and then hit Save. Continue to do that for each clip you want to use. Next, open up WavePad. Then click the drop-down menu that says File. Choose Open File, then start with the first clip you want to use in the sequence. Once that loads, you're going to click the Edit tab at the top, then scroll right until you find the button that says Insert File. Click that and choose At the End. Next, choose the second clip to add to the sequence. Can you see why labeling is important? You'll notice how the app adds the clip to the first one. Keep going with these steps until all your clips are together. Once they're all combined, you can rename the file and save it by clicking on the three bars at the top left corner and selecting Rename. Once your file is edited and named properly, it's time to save it and upload it. Hit the drop-down menu in the corner again and choose Upload File to Cloud Service to save to your phone and share later. You can also choose to upload your file to Google Drive, which is a great way to both store it and share it. Lastly, since audio files are pretty small in size, you can simply email the file to us. And don't forget, you can always call into our MAW hotline to record your stories and let us do the editing. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to hear your stories.